Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we're drawing a big, yummy cake. First, let's make the bottom layer. Cakes love being fluffy and round. Now on top, let's decorate it with some wavy icing all around. Doesn't it look delicious already? We'll add another smaller layer. It's a double-decker cake. Wow! Let's draw 3 candles standing tall on top. 1, 2, 3. Now, let's light them up with tiny bright flames. Time for the fun part, colors. Let's make it super colorful, like a rainbow party cake. Yellow, blue, pink, red, orange, again pink for candles. Finally yellow. Oh wow, it's shining so beautifully. I think it's ready for someone's birthday wish. What wish would you make if this cake was for you? Like and subscribe for more.